Yes, now students, again the question is arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Here ascending order, if ascending order is given, descending order is given, whatever it is, first we have to convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Then after that you have to decide which one is a smaller and which one is a bigger. If ascending order is given, then you have to write increasing order, in increasing order from smaller to bigger. In descending order, suppose descending order is given, then you have to write in reverse order. Only the difference is you have to write in reverse order. Either it is ascending order or descending order. According to that, if ascending order is given, then you have to write increasing order. If descending order is given, then in decreasing order. So this is only the difference between ascending order and descending order. But the method, so whatever the method is there, you are doing, so that method for ascending order and descending order same, no change. Okay, but ascending order you have to keep in increasing order and in descending order in decreasing order. So, okay, now arrange the following numbers in ascending order. First we have to take x and x. What is meant by x and x? Here repeated Roman numeral. Repeated Roman numeral means addition. X means 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Then the next one, x, v, I. X means 10, v means 5, smaller one, addition, and 1 means smaller and repeated 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18. This is 18. Next, VII. V means 5. Smaller Roman numeral is on right side, addition, plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then XVI. X means 10, V means 5. 5 is a smaller one, so addition, that is right side. So again 1 is a smaller one, that is on right side, so add. 5 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Now IB. This is 1 is a smaller and V is a bigger. Smaller is on left side, so minus. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here see, this is 4, this is 16, this is 7, this is 8, this is 20. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means from smaller to bigger. Smaller. So 4, 16, 7, 18, 20. 4 is a smaller. So this comes first. And after 4, 7 will come. This is in second place. And then after 7, 16 will come. This is in third place. After 16, 18 will come. This is in fourth place. After 18, 20 will come. This is in fifth place. Now you arrange in ascending order. First one, IV. Second one, VII. Third one, XVI. Then fourth one, XVII. Then fifth one, XX20. This is the ascending order method. So whenever ascending order or descending order is given, first we have to convert the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Why? Because it is very easy to decide which one is smaller or which one is greater. So if we convert in Hindu Arabic numerals, if it is given like this, it is very difficult to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So it is better to convert in Hindu Arabic numerals. Then after that you have to write in the Roman numerals in ascending order. If he asks ascending order, then ascending order. If he asks descending order, then descending order. Only here one change is there. If this same question, if I ask descending order, you have to write in reverse order. This first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Only the order will change. So we have to write in the reverse order for descending order. Ascending order in this way, descending order in this way. Okay? Now, the sixth question, it is based on our rule. So this question is again total 4 rules were there. We discuss in our textbook, sums in textbook lesson chapter. So then, according to that, according to the rules of the Roman numbers, so which one is a meaningless? Which one is a meaningless? VV, X I X X I V, X I X. Here VV, it is a meaningless. This one is a meaningless. 5, 50 and 500. These 3 Roman numerals never repeats. That means VV, LL and DDD. So this never repeats. So that is why, sir, that is meaningless. And here 1, 1, 1, 1. Here 1 repeats 4 times. Roman numeral never repeat 4 times. So here 1 repeats 4 times. This is a meaningless. These 2 are meaningless. Why these 2 are meaningless? Here 5 never repeats. 3 Roman numerals never repeats. That is 5, 50 and 500. That means V, L and D. They never repeats. And the numbers, those numbers are repeating. So in Roman numerals that repeats maximum 4 times, not more than 4 times. Here 1 repeats 4 times. So that is why this is meaningless. This first one and this second one, these 2 are meaningless. These 2 are meaningless. Okay? According to the rules, we have to decide which one is meaningless and which one is correct. This is correct only. X repeats 2 times and this I is there before 5. So it's correct. X I X, it's also correct. It represents 19, it represents 24. Okay? So these 2 are correct and these 2 are meaningless. These 2 are meaningless. Okay? Our 7th question, simplify the following in Roman numerals. In Roman numerals we have to simplify. We have to simplify. First question, 8. I means 8. 8 is added to 9. I is added to 9. That is I means 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Then how to take this 17? 17 means 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 5 is XVII. You will get XVII. XVII. Then 6th, 8th, 9th added again. VI plus VII plus IX. VI means 6. VII means 8. This is 9. 9 plus 8 already is there, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 20. Then how to take 23? 20 plus 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. 20 means X. 20 means X plus X, 20. I. X, I. Now, XV and 3 divided. XV means XV is equal to 20, 10 plus 5, 15, and I means 3. Then 3 divided by 3 divides 15. 3 5s are 15. What is the answer here? 5. So the answer is, if that implies 15 is divided by 3, the answer is 5. 5 means B. The answer here B. The answer here is B. 5 is subtracted its successor. What is its successor? 6. 6 minus 5. That means 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Successor. 5 is subtracted from its successor. Successor is 6. 6 minus 5. It's nothing but 6 minus 5 only. 6 minus 5 is not 1. 1 means I. 1 means I. Then 2 is multiplied. 2 is multiplied with 6, then what it gives? 2 is multiplied with 6. 6 with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are multiplied means multiplication. 12, then how to take 12? 10 plus 2 means 1 plus 1. That is xii. xii. Now 11 is added to 9. xi plus ix. xi means 11. Then ix means 9. 11 plus 9 is 20. What is 20? 10 plus 10. That is x and x. It gives x and x. X and x. Now, fill in the blanks with Indo-Arabic numerals. Indo-Arabic numerals. This is 6 plus what makes 10. 6 plus what makes 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 makes 10. So here in the Arabic only is asking. So this only we need. This only we need. Here x, x, x. 3 times numeral, Roman numerals repeats. So we have to add 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 minus what is equal to 10 plus 5, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is answer. 18. So here 18 is there. 8 into 30 you have to count. 8 into from smaller number to bigger number you have to count. From 19. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Total 10 and after 12. 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 it makes 18. 30 minus 12 it makes 18. Now here this is 8. 8 plus what makes 15. It is xv means x is 10, v means 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 makes 15. So in this way we have to fill. Now brain booster. In this brain booster, first question, choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answer. So first question, the correct Roman numeral for 27. 27 correct Roman numeral. Here 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 26, 27. This is a correct Roman numeral. This is a correct Roman numeral. So this is not correct. So V never repeats. Here V repeats twice. It is not correct. It is not correct. Thrice. Here V repeats thrice. It is not correct. Here 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. This is 26. It is also not correct. It is also not correct. It is also not correct. So now the Roman numeral represented 50. 50. So L is represented 50. So this is 1000. This is 500. This is 100. Okay. 50 means L. 50 means L. The Hindu-Arabic numeral which has no symbol in the Roman numeral. 100 symbol is there C, and 1 symbol is I, and 99 symbol is also there IC. C 100 minus 1, that is IC. 0. So it won't have a symbol in Roman. It won't have the symbol in Roman. So like this we have to choose. Okay. Write the following Roman numerals in the Hindu-Arabic system. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Roman numerals are given. These Roman numerals we have to write in Hindu-Arabic system. This is 10. 10 plus 1. So this is on right side, so we have to add 10 plus 1, 11. This is 11. This is 11. Now 10 plus 10, repeated Roman numeral, 10 plus 10, 20. This is 20, and here I means 1, 5. So smaller Roman numeral is on left side of a bigger Roman numeral. So minus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. That is 4. 4 and 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Here 24. Here x10, x10, x10. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. This is 31 representation. 31 representation. Next, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Now here, this is a smaller Roman numeral. This is a bigger Roman numeral. So minus 10 minus 1, 9. This is 10. This is a smaller Roman numeral. This is a bigger Roman numeral. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 plus 9, 19. So in this way we have to do our Roman numerals. Okay. So we have to convert this Roman numeral into Indo-Arabic numerals.